red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, brown color, and black color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. One, two, three, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use green color. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's now you draw 11 and use blue color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kids, now you draw 16 and use yellow color. 16, 17, 18, 19. In last you draw 20. Light green color, brown color, yellow color, blue color, red color, light green color, dark green color, sky blue color, orange color, dark pink color, black color, and purple color. It's now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use yellow color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now you draw H and use light green color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kangaroo. It's now you draw L and use black color. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. Kids, now you draw O and use brown color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use sky blue color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.